Welcome to another episode of Air Traffic Out of Control, the podcast bringing you the best, most interesting, and most outrageous air traffic control recordings, right from the tower to your ears. I'm your host, Amy Tango Charlie. In this episode, Skywest Flight 5263 is taking off from Denver when it strikes a large bird. The pilot radios the tower, requesting to return to the airport due to the damage sustained to the windshield, when a mysterious laser hits the aircraft. The pilot alerts the tower of the unauthorized laser, which lets other pilots in the area know to be on the lookout.
Gus 5263 to departure with the contact.
Departure Skywest 5263. We hit a big bird. We're going to have to return.
Gus 5263, okay. Clear Denver via radar vectors. Fly present heading, common maintain 11,000.
Present heading up to 11,000. Skywest 5263.
Gus 5263, do you want to declare an emergency?
Yeah, let's go ahead and declare an emergency for 5263.
Gus 5263, okay. And you need time to run a checklist, or you want to return immediately?
We just need a little bit of time, and then we'll be ready to return.
Gus 5263, okay. Fly present heading, climb and maintain 11,000.
Present heading 11,000, Skywest 5263.
Gus 5263, take your time, but when you can, souls and fuel, please.
Got 71 souls, and we got about 3 hours of fuel.
Gus 5263, any known damage to the aircraft? Is the windshield intact?
The windshield is intact, but we've got some wind noise coming in, so we expect to return.
Tower Southwest 3764, visual 35 right. Sorry, 34 right. 3764, continue for running 34 right. Quick vehicle inspection in progress. I'll get your landing clearance within 2 mile final. Alright, we'll continue Southwest 3764. And directly below us, we were just hit with a laser for Southwest 3764. Green laser, no injuries. Where we are right now. Roger. Denver Tower, hello, Southwest 2638, 35 left.
2638, Denver Tower, laser reported off the left side, 34 right, wind 0505, runway 35 left, clear to land.
Copy, clear to land 35 left, Southwest 2638. For 34 right. South 915, Denver Tower, your company had reported unauthorized laser illumination event at 8 mile final, 8,200 feet of green laser directly beneath him for 34 right. Alright, thanks for that. And wind 060 at 9. I think I've locked your clear to land for 915. South 915 firm, we're on a 34 right, clear land. Clear land, 34 right. And Tower, good evening, Southwest 941, visual 35 left.
South 941, Denver Tower, unauthorized laser illumination event reported 2 miles ahead over I-70. I'll get some more details maybe before you pass it. Wind 0505 on 35 left, clear line.
35 left, clear land, Southwest 941, copy on the info. Attention all aircraft, unauthorized laser illumination event 6 miles south of Denver, 7,000. Green laser from the south. Southwest 3451, visual 17 left.
3451 Denver Tower, if you were up at green laser reported 3 miles ahead from the south on 0605 or 35 left, clear line.
Clear land, 35 left, check marks, thanks, 3451.
That's all for this episode of Air Traffic Out of Control. Remember, if you love the show, please tell a friend and be sure to follow or subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, X, so you don't miss any of our updates. There's a link in the show notes. Thanks for joining us on board today. Until next time.